Naibo!
Good day, everyone. My name is Godwin Edet, a mass communication student, University of Cross River State. I will be talking on drugs abuse. First of all, what is drug abuse? Drugs abuse may be seen as a process of taking drugs contrary to the prescription of a physician or a doctor. Then talking about the effect of drugs abuse. Drugs abuse can damage, cause mental problem as a result of depression, aggression, and anxiety. If we want to talk about types of hard drugs, we may likely mention cocaine, Indian hemp, marijuana, and cigarettes. So my advice to all our youth down there is that they should say no to drugs. That is why Ministry of Health warns that smokers are liable to die young. So in this process, just our youth should try and say no to drugs. It's not good to your health.
Say the word addiction and
Please, what is your name, ma'am?
I'm
Okay, please, ma'am, I'm doing report on drug abuse. Please, kindly tell us what you understand by the term drug abuse.
Okay, drugs abuse. I think drug abuse is the intake of drugs against the contribution or the prescription of the doctor. So that's when drugs abuse comes in.
I've seen that a lot of our youth that really indulge themselves in drugs abuse. In this process, what can we do to eliminate drug abuse among our youth?
Okay, to eliminate drugs abuse, I think first of all, let me just start with the effect of drugs abuse, telling us how these drugs abuse is. Then I'll say that the effects of drugs abuse can be lack of, maybe especially those children on the roadside, the drug pushers, those selling, the homeless student, the street child. Most of them are always indulging in drugs abuse, which can be cocaine, the smoking of weed, marijuana, Panadol, and the rest of it, etc. So I think drugs abuse it's recent. It's a common phenomenon that has keep resulting every year, every time, especially in the society of nowadays. So a lot of people now go into drugs abuse and the intakes of drugs in the society.
Okay, please, ma, as you can see. So, please, ma, what is your advice to our youth concerning drug abuse?
Okay, advice to youth and the society at large. I like to advise them that drugs abuse is very, very bad and it leads to death. So this situation, it's just a very bad scenario. So I would advise everyone to defend and restrict from drugs abuse. Thank you.
So in this process, say no to drugs abuse.
drugs such as alcohol, heroin, and cocaine often come to mind. But other substances like nicotine, marijuana, and prescription pain medications can also be addictive. So can certain activities such as gambling and sex. Whatever the case, addiction involves craving and allure. Instead, it's a chronic disease involving changes in the brain. There, billions of nerve cells or neurons communicate through a series of signals and chemical messengers. When messages leave one neuron, they attach to a receptor on the receiving one, like a key. Has a problem with addiction? Talk to your doctor, a mental health professional, or an addiction specialist. Getting help may save a life.